Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you where you can input the verified code from your Kindle to your Amazon account. Just sign in to your Amazon account in your PC. Okay, on the PC you log in your Amazon account, and then now just type in amazon.com/code and enter. Okay, and then your screen will show up this register your device code. Just input that code to here and press continue, and now it will going to connect to each other. Okay, let's see. Okay, now I already input the code to the PC, and now I'm going to press continue, and let's see what will change on the Kindle. Okay, and now it register complete, and then it's can see registering your Kindle. Okay, and now you log in, just press continue. Okay, so now that's it. That is all for today's video of where you can input the code from your Kindle to your Amazon account. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video, and bye bye and have a nice day.